Yo, good afternoon. Almost. Yeah, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, good afternoon. It's a good day. Yeah, outside is sunny. Eh, yeah, we are going out because I am hungry. Also, I'm going to pick up my the two pieces of iPhone that I brought to the repair shop. Yeah, and it's ready to pick up now. Oh, I was about to go. Then I realized that I want to eat in KFC. But I'm going to eat in KFC with rice. I'm going to take this out. This one is very hard. That's why I'm going to put it in the microwave. I'm going to wash it later. And this is how it is today. Yeah, nice weather today. As you can see, the sky is blue. And it's sparkling on that side. Water is just good. We're not going down there, we're going this way instead. Today I wake up at around 5 o'clock, and I'm day off today. That's why we are free to go anywhere. Oh, there's one guy doing basketball by himself. This is actually already my second time to have my iPhone fixed in that Bling by the Bay. Yeah, the first one was the same, to replace the glass of my iPhone 6s. And I was really satisfied. And I don't remember how much is the cost of the repair last time. From here I can already smell the chicken, the KFC. These cars are actually for sale. That one is 11,000, 2009 model, and this one is 29,000. Expensive. And these two, 3,000. That one 3,000, and this 8,900. Yeah. Oh, in Sydney, in the city, you don't need to press this. Automatic, there is detector. Oh, I am tempted to get this one. So basically, you can attach it to your cup, just like this. And it's just $8. But not today. You know, sometimes I am seeing something extra small that looks good. I am tempted to buy it. Yeah, this is actually just $20, but I don't know, maybe not. Also, this one is beautiful. I am tempted to get one. Look at this air fryer. It's just $15. Yeah, I am tempted to get one of these. I saw this in YouTube that it can cook everything healthy. Yeah, healthier compared to the other cooker fryer, you know. Okay, we are now going to KFC, and I already got these two pieces of iPhone 6s. Yeah, we're going to check it in the park while eating. Yeah, the repair is actually just 280. They're looking for a trainee manager. You will go here. Actually, in my backpack. We go first to Harvey Norman to buy the adapter. Not adapter, but a charger. This is what I got. This 25 watt. 25 watts? Yeah, for charger for my Samsung. Oh, that road is still closed because the bridge is broken in there. We're going to eat the KFC in here. This is the KFC. This is my rice. Oh, I don't have a spoon or fork. And this is the two iPhone. Yeah, I actually paid $300 because yeah, I was very happy, so I decided to give $20 tip. Yeah, so it's total $300. Look at this, it looks new, it feels new. They also put a screen protector. Yeah, the same with the other one. Okay, let's see it. So when you open the KFC here, there is like a, you need to peel it like this all the way through, and you have this plate. Paper. Before it was plastic, and it always comes with this hand wipes, one piece of tissue, and this is it. They are fighting, the magpie and the very blackbird. I'm just going to put it in the garbage bin. Yeah, I bought this because I really need this. I don't want my computer to be broken or run out of so much battery cycle because of charging my Samsung Galaxy to it. And you know that when I was in the shop, I said, what is the other one? Yeah, because 1, 2. And yeah, the guy said, oh, that's the bottom of that. It shows the USB-C. And then I realized, oh yeah, I thought it's 2 pieces. Oh, look at these trees. They don't have leaves. Yeah, all of them are dry. Just the 2. The rest are normal. Listen to your heart. Yo, good evening guys. Yeah, it is already 6:12, and yeah, outside is already very dark, like it's already 10 o'clock. Feels like that. Yeah, the day is very short during winter. If you compare to during summer, sunset is after 8 o'clock. Yeah. I just want to share to you my current situation, because yeah, in the previous months, I realized that I spend so much money on electronics, which is not good. But I don't know, my reason is that I need those. Those are the things that are keeping me going or making me happy. Yeah, those are the music things, the AirPods. If you remember, I bought that is around $200, the AirPods, and then the music sunglass, that's about $300, and then this mobile phone, this is very expensive, and then the repair of my 2 iPhones, and then this charger for this Samsung, and some other things that I bought online. Yeah, I spend so much. I'm not supposed to be spending. Yeah, actually, for me, buying expensive things like this, yeah, I don't want to pay one time, big time. I want to pay it like installment. Installment is easy. I actually went to Telstra. I asked them if yeah, if I can add this to my plan. So they check my documents, my previous transaction, and everything. They check everything. and yeah, they said I'm not qualified anymore. Yeah, so denied. Another thing that I did is I applied for a credit card, but yeah, the same. They said I'm not qualified anymore, and you know the reason? The reason is because my visa is expired already. Yeah, I'm actually on a bridging visa. So if you remember, maybe 5 or 6 months ago, I said to you that my visa is going to be expired. And so basically what I did is I sent an email to the big bosses, to the HR, to the general manager, and to the my executive chef. I told them that I told them that my visa is going to be expired very soon, but I still wanted to keep on working in the company. And I asked them if they are willing to sponsor me for 186 visa, and that is the only option that I have. Yeah, for me to stay in this company and to stay in Australia. So basically, they did some more research. They did some checking, like yeah, they did their part, and then until they decided to sponsor me, and yeah, my visa has been lodged last March. I actually spent over $10,000 for that visa application. Yeah, the company they also spend some, I don't know how much. What I heard is around $5,000 for the nomination. I'm not sure, but they also spend. And yeah, so this time I am waiting for the result of that 186 visa application. We never know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, according to the blogs, according to the website of the Australian immigration, that the processing is up to 17 months, if I am not mistaken. So it means that there is a probability that I will be waiting for that visa up to 17 months. That's long. But I believe it's a case to case basis. Yeah, because I heard some people they got their visa after 1 month, after 5 months, after 3 months, after 6 months. So yeah, yeah, I am actually very conditioned that whatever happened is God willing. Yeah, the money that I spend doesn't bother me anymore. Yeah. But of course, there is still a little regret. The same like, yeah, the money that I spent for the electronics. But I don't know, we never know. Yeah, those are already gone, those are already done. Yeah, so we're just relying on the God willing. So basically, it's been 3 months that I am waiting for the result of that visa application. If that visa is denied, it means that I need to go back to the Philippines and start a new life. If that visa is approved, it means that I will be staying here in Australia, and that's good. We never know. Yeah, so that's my situation. That is why I'm not supposed to be spending money. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, thank you for watching.